What do we have here?
Dude. Hi.
Hey, dude.
What's going
You
on?
replaced me? What is this?
It's my daughter. I just picked her up.
Are you serious?
I just got custody of her. I didn't know either.
Congrats on that, by the way.
I mean,
I didn't think you were gonna win, honestly.
I didn't want to win.
Just gonna leave her in the car, right?
It's good.
Oh wait, I just noticed. You have new glasses.
I do. Well, I mean, I've had these. I don't know if you could.
Dang, Tiffany Tuesday. Where's the affiliate link? Down below?
Dude, okay. I go to Costco today.
Okay.
Normally I wear my clear frames, right?
Yes.
I go to Costco and I ask if they can clean like the, you know, like some gunk gets under the frames, especially on the clear frames. I hand them my glasses and they're like, oh, we might be able to do something, not sure. They take it, they come back. So I'm not sure if there was a crack in it before.
Oh.
Congratulations, you played yourself.
I pulled the I'm an influencer card. I'm just kidding. No, I did it. I can cancel you guys right now.
Look at my Instagram right now. You see these followers?
Costco, I can cancel you right now. Look at me. Yeah, so I'm just waiting for their manager to call me. And if they don't call me, then I have the manager's number and I will give her a call.
And you will speak to the manager. Dude, your kid's kind of crying back there. I don't know if you want to...
Film me this way.
Okay.
I don't want her in the background.
This is David's daughter. What's your name?
Tiffany.
Tiffany?
Don't be rude. Dab him up.
Come on. What's up, bro? Very
Tiffany.
nice.
Stop being rude.
Treat her with a little bit of respect.
I wouldn't put your hand in there.
Look at you.
Arms up.
Arms up, everybody, arms up.
Tiff, your head is so big. This looks goofy now.
You know, I'm thinking like, do these people see us doing this? Hey, if we could get her arms to pop out, that'd be dope, but it's not gonna be possible.
You don't think so?
Oh, maybe. Guys, David is releasing this t-shirt this Friday, which is today.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. Swipe up, swipe up, swipe up, swipe up, swipe up, swipe up. And he's also releasing another t-shirt for all the croc lovers out there.
So if this is a little too much for you, but you still want to support the croc life movement, we got a croc life shirt in Old English.
Link will be in the description. And look at the details, guys. He has the Crocs on here, and if you look at it really detailed, look at the charms. Look at the placement, and look at the charms. Jesus. I want to give a huge shout out to Smurf and WRX for this backpack right here. I saw him last week because I picked up the trunk from him, and he surprised me with this backpack. It's actually a camera bag, and it's super sleek. If you guys would like to support the homie, I'll have his Instagram down below in the description. Look how amazing this thing is. Look at this. So the rear compartment, this is all waterproof, and it comes with dividers, so you can put your camera here. You can customize this 100%, and it also comes with all of these slots that you can see. So really like this backpack. Thank you, Mike. I do appreciate it.
I have one too, and honestly, it is waterproof. I had all my electronics in here, my laptop.
Did you?
I threw it in the water and it still worked. I'm just kidding. No, but it is super dope. I mean, this is not organized right now, but it comes with all these little attachments. So
Not sponsored. We're just...
Honestly, it's not.
It's really not sponsored, but this backpack is so helpful, and thank you for the gift, man. We really appreciate it.
Perfect for when you're on the go, when you're a creator and you have a camera.
I
and
like
Christmas
that.
is coming up too, so.
Yeah, swipe up. Bringing the GTR out today. Coming out to play, David.
Hey.
Hey.
What's up?
What's Gucci? If you guys are wondering where we're going right now, we're headed to the mall. And yes, I know today's Friday, right? But it's not a cheap finds Friday. And I need you guys to let me know, do you guys enjoy the Cheap Finds Friday for the steals and deals, or do you just enjoy it because it's your favorite couple on YouTube making a video together? Let us know in the comment section down below. Today is gonna be a somewhat shopping video because I want to head to the mall, pick up some things, but it's gonna replace Cheap Finds Friday for this week. Just me testing out something a little bit different and seeing how you guys respond to it. So I really read all the comments. Let me know what you guys think. What do you think, David? Do you like doing stuff like this? Do you miss me?
I do.
Do you love me?
I like being on your videos.
I like you being in my videos.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, there's a cop. Launch from a red light.
Oh no! Hum-dum shivai, hum-dum shivai, hum-dum shivai. Oh shh! I almost broke the seatbelt. Wait, what's going on here, buddy? What's
What's...
adrenaline. Did you feel it?
Kiss me! Kiss me! Let's go, pussy! Oh, shit!
Oh, shit! I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Oh. Okay.
What, dude?
I feel my pulse again.
I don't feel my balls. My balls are inside me, dude.
Oh,
Alright. Like the video.
oh.
Subscribe. I love you. Yo. Dude, you could legit see through.
Shoot, I didn't even
Imagine
realize
somebody
that.
drove over that, or like somebody just, you could legit fall through that. Don't freaking, David. Oh my.
Over here, silly.
In the last video, I asked you guys a question, and I really liked the responses that you guys had. I liked how many comments we got. So I'm gonna ask you guys another question just to make sure you're not skipping through the video. So today's question of the day is, what was the most embarrassing moment of your life? I'm sure we've been through all things, everything, but if you could just think about one that you would like to share, drop a comment down below. I'll go first. Is that cool?
Yeah.
Okay. This is a girl story.
Uh-oh. The hell? Why is this breaking?
No.
Oh, that folds back. Okay.
Yeah. This is 6th grade. 6th grade. Didn't know anything about girls. I really like this girl though, right? So I was like, okay, one day I'm just gonna ask this girl to be my girlfriend. Never talked to her in my life. So cringe, dude. So cringe.
Oh no.
Morning after morning after morning, she would always walk by, right? And I'd be like, okay, I'm gonna say it today.
Today's the day.
I'll do it tomorrow. And like, I was hyping myself up, dude. I literally saved it up. I just asked her. I just winged it. I was like, hey, I think you're kind of pretty. Do you want to be my girlfriend? Literally never talked to her, dude. So cringe.
Oh,
and she was like, she's just looking at me and she's like she wasn't feeling the kid. Obviously, that's so weird.
SINTB down bad.
Yes. And she was like, oh, we can be friends. And I was like,
dang.
And then she was in my class too. That's the worst part. So every single freaking day I would see this girl.
Ouch.
And that was like one of my most embarrassing parts, because like I didn't know shit.
Yeah.
Okay, I was like maybe 11.
You had to learn the hard way.
I had to learn the hard way. Very embarrassing.
But after that, you became a G. And you
After
started
that,
going
yeah,
after
yeah.
everyone, and they started coming after you. No? Okay.
I'm still single.
Alright, I mean, there's been a couple embarrassing moments, but I've either pooped myself, thrown up in front of people. I was in Vegas once. I don't drink or anything. I just didn't make it to my hotel on time. And let's just say that pair of underwear, it got thrown away.
Oh, damn. How long ago was this?
Just like last week. Just kidding. No.
It happens to the best of us.
Like, honestly, it was like 4 years ago.
Okay, so not too long ago.
Dude, okay, no. Because you know, the hotels in Vegas, they're huge, dude. They go for miles.
Right.
Maybe not miles, but they're huge, dude.
And when nature calls?
When nature calls and nature's having its bad day, I was so close. I was like, I literally opened the door to my hotel. I stepped in and I'm like, no, the train is leaving the station. I'm like, no.
Didn't make it.
The rest, I just waddled. I just hopped in the shower, dude. I just accepted the L, hopped in the shower. The rest is history.
Thank you for sharing that embarrassing moment. If you guys have any other embarrassing moments, let us know in the comment section down below. Wow. They're really getting to know us.
I'm pretty sure a lot of people can relate to that though.
I'm sure.
They just don't want to.
Happens to the best of us.
It happens to babies.
It does happen to babies more often than not. All right, let's see if we can find what I'm here for today. I'm looking for a nice flannel, nice and thick one. Damn, that's a long line. I'm looking for some Air Forces. I got a 10.5 purple bandana that I'm doing, and I'm also doing one for Mozzie. And you guys will see everything on this channel right here, the main channel. So I'll pick this up real quick. $90. We got some Fear of God hats. Yo, I haven't seen them in store in a minute. So if you guys are interested, this is the Champs at Valley Fair. I actually might pick one of these up. One of these green ones is calling my name. Oh,
You know what I'm saying?
how much?
Just guess.
65?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, typical.
Bro, I thought they weren't fitted like 30 bucks.
Back in the day, yeah. They got Yeezys here. Champs, Valley Fair. They got different sizes of this one.
Swipe up.
Swipe up. Use my discount code. This one's an 8.5. And then these ones, they have more sizes. Just letting you guys know. Dude, are we vlogging in public?
We are. What is this?
We're freaking, is this 2019?
No, dude.
2018? 2016?
2016.
This is 2016.
Oh my god.
Wow. Let us know how you guys like that.
Smaller cameras, big energy.
Bigger. Oh. Got that hat. Wasn't expecting to purchase that. Yo, I used to have these back in high school. Who remembers the free run days? They also have some Yeezys here at JD Sports. I don't know if these are the same as the other ones that we saw at Champs, but JD Sports has these. And they also have these dunk highs, these corduroy dunk highs. Don't know what they're called. Haven't been keeping up. And all the Yeezys look the same nowadays. But if you guys want them, Valley Fair. I picked up these triple red Air Forces. Decided to go a slightly different route for the Mozzie Forces, but I think they're gonna come out really sick. Shout out to the homie Jordan, doing big things. Hype Land. Damn, David's and Zoomies too? Oh yeah, dude. These have been reselling like crazy. 3XL. I remember this coming out in like middle school, and I really wanted it, but my mom wouldn't buy it for me. I think retail's 100, and it's flipping for like 200 right now. But a 3XL, dude?
Soldier Boy vibes.
This is the only size you guys got?
Yeah, we just got a 4X. So it's 3X.
Damn.
I like the black one more. The black
one is
go
really
with so
nice.
much more.
Spooky season. Damn, 3X. You guys want it? You're 3X. Come get it. Quick update. We can't find the flannels. It's super hard to find the thick ones without the hoods and without the fuzzy shit on the inside. But we did find the Air Forces. If you guys are looking for Air Forces, they've been so hard to find. Freaking TikTokers, man. Freaking TikTokers. But
That's you, dude.
I am not, no, I am not a TikToker.
I walked in on you doing one of those dances, the Renegade.
No. Couldn't find the exact flannel I'm looking for, but look at this Outcast tee. I don't know if these are played out at this point, but this Outcast one, I don't know, it's speaking to me. Something about this, I'm not gonna buy it, but that one's speaking to me out of all of these down here. Let me know what you guys think about these style tees. Shout out to the homie Vic, Kill the Hype. This one is sick, dude. Man is killing it.
Kind of like the Eeyore one that I have because it has that embroidery.
It's calling your name, David. Is it your size?
Extra large.
Quick shout out to Diffusion Studios. We didn't even know that store was in the mall. Like, this is the new wing right here. And we were just walking around checking out the homies. And right next door, we went into Diffusion Studios. So they had a bunch of like cool vintage, thrifted stuff. And then they had some sneakers. Now I picked up some stuff for the site. This one I wasn't expecting to be a good deal, but it was a good deal.
It really was.
Got these for $220. I think he hooked it up a little bit, like $215. Got $5 off of this one, and I think I could move these for about like $275-ish once I clean them up. And then we also got a pair of True Blue 3s. These were $165. I literally just moved a pair for $330. It was a worn pair.
Whoa.
So this is like,
go Alex.
can go, baby. Shout out to the homies over there. I'll pop their Instagram on the screen. Make sure you show them some love. This side of the mall doesn't get a lot of love, so this is the new side. Drop by. These stores need the love, all right? But other than that, I think we might call it a day. Yo, it looks like I'm in a club right now. Hey, what's good? All right, we are at Jen. We're about to close off the day. Homie's bringing the meats right now. We got bulgogi, brisket, spicy bulgogi. Thank you, sir. We got the food on deck. Food Network coming soon. Shout out to my boy Mike the Compass. All you can eat, baby. Let's indulge. Oh, we're ending the video. Make sure to like,
comment,
and subscribe. And if you guys enjoyed this video, let us know in the comment section down below.
Yes, please do.
We love you guys so much. If you guys want to support us, shop with us. Link down below in the description. See y'all very soon.
Bye. Stop. Not the new.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up. Tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, gotta bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna. Whoa.